and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, it would be great if you could click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're doing some chicken wings, fried and with Coca-Cola. I think the last video that I posted was chicken wings with no oil and an air fryer. Pretty healthy. These are not particularly healthy, but really, really delicious. So simple, let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. Really simple. Chicken wings, can of Coke, Coca-Cola. Also works with Sprite or something like that. Or 7-Up, whatever you want. Garlic, ginger, chili flakes or chili powder, or you don't have to put that in if you don't want, and some soy. If you don't have soy or don't want to use soy, you could use salt. I won't be using salt because that's pretty salty. It is really simple. We're just going to mix all that together. Okay, so we've got a mixing bowl. Wings are in. Let's get in now. Soy. You can use a dark or a light, it's up to you. Optional chili flakes or cayenne pepper or chili powder. Chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and then a can of Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, 7-Up, something like that. Basically what we want is loads of sweetness, and that's what this certainly has. If you wanted, you could be putting in fact, let me grab that 1 second. Just as an optional extra, got a bit of 5-spice powder, which you can get in your stores, no problem. Just sort of adding to the kind of Asian flavours of it. Okay, simply you're going to mix this around. Then you want to leave this for at least 2 hours. Get some shrink wrap or plastic wrap or cling film over it. At least a couple of hours. Overnight is absolutely wonderful. Let's move on. Okay, these have been sitting for about 5 or 6 hours now. So they've got enough sort of flavours in them. It's certainly got the sweetness. Simply, we're going to fry them now. So you need a pan or a wok or something like that with some oil in. I'm going to be using a corn oil. Let's get that nice and hot. We need to get these out. Give them a little shake off so there's not too much moisture on them. Simply, we're going to give them a fry off. Okay, hot oil. As you can see. About 5 minutes, we'll take them out, they'll be done. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple, these ones. Very, very tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?